Lynette here. So today I have my latest in beauty. Well, what happened last month, just for having COVID and Poppy and all the rest of it, I completely forgot to order my latest in beauty picks. So when the box arrived, I was a wee bit surprised. I thought, what's this? And then I looked in and I thought, I've missed my pick date. And they make up a box for you. So I have actually written to customer services to say that this box has a lot of the items that are either duplicates or not suitable for me, and doesn't have the Hall of Fame item either, which is something that they don't tend to put in these boxes when they pick them themselves. To be honest, I love Latest in Beauty, but this box looks like they've just picked items that weren't selling or they had too many of. So I'm going to go through the box. I am really disappointed. I'll let you know if Latest in Beauty come back, because I did explain that I had COVID and it just completely went over my head to order. I might be stuck with it, and if I'm stuck with it, I'll do a giveaway, because I wouldn't have picked these items. So I'm going to show you and let it be a lesson not to forget your pick date. Order before your pick date, or they will make up a box for you. So the first item, which if I do give this away, I won't be putting it in, just because I have to go to another post office now, and I took 3 kind of parcels that I was sending to people, and it was all makeup and skincare, and despite saying there's nothing in it, there's no nail polish, there's no sprays, there's no anything that shouldn't be in there, right? I know what not to post or what to let them know. So every box he went through that, and then he was reeling stuff off, like, so there's no nail polish remover, no. So I think hand gel might be one of these things that will just tip me over the edge if I go to the post office, because that's what's in here. Organi Everyday Organics Purifying Hand Gel with Organic Tea Tree and Aloe Vera. Now, I'm sorry, but nah, would never pick that. I see the point if it was maybe a freebie, but I'd never pick it. The next one is Knight & Wilson Instant Healthy Hair 2 Hydrating Hair Masks. Now, I sometimes would pick a hair mask, but I've got enough. I'm just pulling out the ones that I'm really disappointed in first. 8 greens made from real greens. So what is it? It's a food supplement with 10 tablets. I mean, I do sometimes take Berocca type things, but there is no way I would take something that had spinach, aloe vera, wheatgrass, kale, blue-green algae, spirulina, chlorella and barley grass. No danger am I drinking anything that looks like that, I'm sorry. So disappointed in that. Again, who's picking these? Nobody. Now, I do have one of these next items, but I have it in the colour that's suitable for my hair. They sent me the Pony Secret. It's supposed to match your hair colour. Now, I have completed the survey, so they know what colour of hair, they know my skin type, and they sent me one of these. Yeah, this is for black hair. So if you've got black hair or dark brown hair, yeah, this is for you. But I've got a blonde one, and this is not suitable. So three items I am not happy with. The 4th one's not too bad, but not good. The 5th item, to add insult to injury, is Sally Hansen Pure Vegan Nail Polish, which I've already ordered from Latest in Beauty. So next one is the Sukin Brightening Radiance Gel Cleanser, which is great, and I would order that, but I've already ordered it. What else have we got here? Oh yeah, the Dr. Lip BFF Multi-Use Skincare, right? 4 mils. 4 mils, absolutely tiny. Really disappointed in that. The next one is something that I might have ordered. Pacific 100% vegan, cruelty-free, vegan collagen overnight recovery cream. So I might have ordered that one. Not too disappointed with that, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items that I'm just not impressed with. Might have ordered that one. And last but not least, this is something that you used to get from the sample service every now and again. This size Lumine Brightening Gel Mask. So is there 15 mils in there? So yeah, that is one of the worst boxes I've ever had. There's no Hall of Fame item, which they say there's one for every box. They could have put that in. I might have been a bit more impressed. Hand gel. Nobody's ordering that. Food supplements. I mean, I bet they're stowed out with these. That's why it went in the box. Doesn't fit my profile. Already got it. Already got it. I mean, if it was just a lip balm, fair enough. But face, hand, body, delicate areas. I mean, they'd have to be really delicate because it's only 4 mils. This one's alright. Not impressed with that one because it's 50 mils and we used to get it in the sample service for the company that I can't remember now that I used to get monthly samples from. Pick and mix ones, and a couple of hair masks which I might have ordered. So yes, there is a lesson to you. Always pick your picks. Now I know it's not Latest in Beauty's fault and I'm not criticising them, however there was no, they do not look at your profile, and I am convinced they put items in there that are not selling. So in terms of it being a little bit of a surprise mystery box, I'm really disappointed. So I have written to customer services. I will let you know what they say, but if they come back and say, well, you just need to suck it up, I will do this as a giveaway. And I know I've said I'm disappointed in it, so I don't mean that in a bad way, but I'll take the hand gel out because somebody else might be grateful for the items in this box minus the hand gel. So yeah, let me know what you think. Has it ever happened to you? Are you now going to make sure you religiously stick to your dates? I do, but I didn't. When it said money had come off my account, I thought, well, I've already ordered, so this will be for next month. And then I didn't realise I hadn't ordered. So I think the last couple of months have just gone past me with various different things that are going on in my life, and work's really busy and all the rest of it, and COVID and Poppy. So yeah, I've written to them. Let's see what they say. Usually their customer service is good, but I think I'm stuck with this box. So anyway, when I make my picks next month, I'll hopefully get things that aren't doublers that I would never wear. So I'll let you know. And if they do come back and say, you need to suck it up, you need to keep the box, then I will do it as a giveaway, because I'm sure there'll be lots of people that don't already have these items and might be able to put them to good use. But for me, it's just, nah, I've got most of them, and half of it's not suitable for me anyway. So I'm going to go now on that little moan, and I know it's my own fault. You know, Latest in Beauty, that's what they do if you don't pick. But there's no Hall of Fame items, and there's items that aren't suitable, and there's items that, quite frankly, who's picking food supplements that look like that? Green. Ugh. Anyway, I'm going to go, and I'll speak to you soon, guys. Bye bye.